Go.
Good.
I bought fruit today. Watermelon.
Oh my god, look at that.
And cantaloupe. And strawberries.
Oh, this poor thing.
There were 2 for $6.
Did you eat them all?
Oh my god.
Her head's
Huh?
going.
And where is her face?
It's in the ball.
It's in the ball.
And then it comes out just for a minute.
Oh
right
my
there.
god. Oh my
And then
god.
it's hung up on the braid.
It looks like, I think she's dead, you guys.
I know.
I think she died about 3
And then
seconds
there's
ago.
a huge weight transfer going on right now. Based all on her neck.
Oh my god.
Oh.
Look at how her legs are twisted. Like, are you serious?
I can't believe that she just swims in the
Oh.
water like she's fine.
Yeah,
Imagine
that's
the next
done.
day, just from working out, how sore you can get.
And then you fucking ate shit on the big balls. Yeah, you're good. You're gonna be in bed. For
She
that.
hit her head pretty fucking hard, you guys. That's like concussion. That's enough.
That's enough.